What if you held the key to optimizing your own body, right down to the cellular level? It's not science fiction, it's a powerful biohacking tool called intermittent fasting. This isn't another diet about what you eat, but a strategic approach to when you eat, unlocking profound health benefits. During a fast, your body initiates a remarkable process called autophagy, which literally means self-eating. Imagine it as your body's innate recycling program. Cells identify old, dysfunctional, or damaged components, break them down, and reuse the raw materials. This cellular spring cleaning is crucial for rejuvenation and preventing disease. Many modern health issues are linked to chronic low-grade inflammation, a constant state of alert for your immune system. Intermittent fasting is a potent natural anti-inflammatory. By fasting, you lower the production of pro-inflammatory molecules, giving your body a chance to rest, repair, and reset its inflammatory response. This cellular reset has a ripple effect. It enhances hormone function, making it easier to manage weight. It reduces oxidative stress, which can slow the aging process. Studies also show intermittent fasting supports brain health by improving metabolic features essential for cognitive function. You're not just fasting, you're building a more resilient body and mind. Biohacking your cells doesn't require a lab. It starts with your schedule. By strategically using intermittent fasting, you empower your body's own ancient powerful healing mechanisms. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional to find the right approach for you. The power to rejuvenate is already within you.